What you see, bro?
It's like a rock.
Uh-huh.
It looks like a lake.
Like a lake. Wow.
It's rocks, but it's lake.
Where are we now? You know where?
So we're doing our picnic. We're starting. I think this is the picnic.
Yeah, we're looking for a good spot. This is day 2 of our first full day in New York City. And today we woke up late, got a late start, but that's okay. Because we just wanted to relax, especially after yesterday being so hectic with it being like an on-time day. Okay, so we took a rickshaw from Times Square to Central Park. Yes, to Central Park, and we stopped at a little bodega right outside of Central Park, and we got like some snacks and some picnic things. And as I told you before, I brought my blanket. So we're here right now just having a picnic in Central Park and just enjoying all of the sights and the sounds, and Remy's enjoying her snack. So yeah, right now we're having our picnic, and later on today we will, there's quite a few things to do in Central Park. They will actually give you a free map, so you can see, I think there's a zoo, there's a turtle pond, there's a carousel, there's a couple of statues that you can check out. So I think we're just gonna check out one of the kiddies parks where they can splash in the water. I don't know about that. And then we'll take a horse carriage ride around the park, and then I will let you know what else we do. Okay, that's it for now. Hey, Levi. Where are we? What's up? What are you doing? Where are we? How are you feeling? What's your name? What are you doing? You hungry? Hey, 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 hey.
Dad, can you want that big one now? Hi guys.
Alright, Rem gets a dolly.
Rem gets a dolly. Guys, look what I got. I got a tiger and a wolf. The wolf got us a certificate.
A what? A certificate.
A certificate. And this is for our little cousin Stevie.
It's the camera's too close, babes. You have to look at what we can see. If you look through here, you can see what the people can see. If you go like this, nobody can see anything.
So look, this is for Remy. This is for Stevie, cousin Stevie, our cousins. So yeah, my mom's opening up this box for Remy, and Remy is just playing with the box, trying to get out the susu and things.
It's okay. I'll get it.
And now she's doing it. I'm excited. We're not excited.
Leave this alone. Here you go. Here's your baby.
I am a baby.
Let me get her baby Susu.
Baby Susu. Alright, she got it. She got the Susu. Susu, baby.
Alright.
Look at that very cute baby. Oh, let me show you something, guys. When she lies down, her eyes close. Look. So this is what it looks when she lies down. Her eyes close. Her eyes close when she lies down.
Pass it. So one of our things on the list was to go to FAO Schwarz. It's a very popular toy store in New York, very famous. And everybody got to pick a toy.
2 toys.
2 toys?
I got a dolly. So I got this wolf, and the wolf came with a certificate. I got a baby. And by the way, Sarah has one of these wolves. Sarah has one of these wolves.
Show me the wolf.
And then I got the tiger. And I got a Suda and a baby and a Jaws.
Okay, everybody got to select 2 things. Yeah.
By the way, Sarah got this kind of thing this kind of wolf when she was in New York. So this is what she got, and she got the certificate with it.
Certificate
With it, and I got it too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Inside of the thingy thing, there's this.
What's it called?
I don't know. A letter. And you got this inside. You can write notes of your dog. And then when you see it right here, you get it. You open up this side. And you see in the front, you draw stuff like this. And you write down your doggy's stuff. And you know?
Yeah.
So that's what it is. And by the way, Sarah has this too. So yeah.
Alright, you guys lie down. I'm going to go and bathe, okay?
Can you get our iPads?
It's right beside you.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah. Remy playing with your new baby?
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, you love your new baby? Yeah?
When we were at Elmo's birthday party,
Where's...
baby loves me too.
Okay, Remy, you have to love all your babies, okay? What happened to Sugar? So, this is our room. My co-host, would you like to do the tour?
This is a big.
That's the safe.
Yeah,
So it's bolted in. This is safe. We can put things in the safe right
where's
here.
the safe?
Right here.
Oh, here. I thought you mean this.
And then the kids have their own little section with
it's a
bunk bed.
I guess what? This
And then we have to pull out into a trundle bed. Very nice.
Yeah.
Then you guys have your own TV.
Yeah, and then
Wow.
we have Lego.
And you have Lego. Cool. Remy, let me help you.
And
The other
other
orange juice is
people,
over there.
and other people, you know, they're.
And then there's a little
And then
bar area. It's like, I guess we'll pack out everything here. Then we have a bathroom with lots of counter space. And Ninjago gonna watch me poo.
Alright, guys. So, by the way,
And then we have Daddy who is not amused. And wow. Whoa, look at that. We have all the Lego people in our room. A Scorpio on the wall, very nice. You love it, Levi? And then we actually have a view of the park.
Right, there's Daddy's restaurant. That's where Daddy will take a rest day
You're
today.
gonna rest over there?
Yeah, that's my resting spot.
This is a.
Oh, they thought of the little kids in the room. The bathroom has a little stool. And look at all of the things. I don't know. What's that, Levi? Let me read it.
Toothpaste.
No, this is body lotion.
This is all.
Body lotion, body wash, conditioner, and it's all logotized. What do you call this?
Oh, and we have a bath right
I
here.
would hope so.
So we can.
Come down from there with your socks, Levi. Alright guys, so yesterday our picnic in the park, I can't remember what I had said to you, but yeah, so we packed up a little picnic and we took a rickshaw into Central Park, and right on the outskirts of Central Park where the rickshaw dropped us off, we went into a little bodega, we bought some fruits and some snacks, and then I set up a blanket and we had a picnic, which that was really great. That was like a really cool little activity. We were going to take a rickshaw too, have our picnic, and then we're going to take a horse carriage ride around Central Park. But it got so hot that the police actually came out and told all of the horsemen that they have to suspend their services because it was too hot for the horses. We then stopped at this really, really nice Italian restaurant. Remy was knocked out, but we all ate, and then Remy woke up and ate. And then they got like a really good meal in them. And then what did we do that night? What did we do? Oh, and then I said to them that we're gonna go to FAO Schwarz, which I kind of think like as a child is kind of like, you know, you have to go and check it out. So we were playing in the fountain outside in Rockefeller Plaza, and then we went inside and I told the kids that they were allowed to get 2 toys each. So Remy picked up a dolly and Minnie Mouse, and she has not touched Minnie Mouse, but the dolly, we just lost the pseudo for the dolly. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, and Levi picked up 2 stuffed animals. He picked up a tiger and a wolf. So I was kind of worried at first because I thought that, you know, because I kept saying, okay, everybody gets 2 toys within reason, and I'm like, Lord, is what am I gonna pick up? Well, yeah. Be careful, Remy. So then today now was the day we would be traveling to Legoland. But before I went to Legoland, I said I want to do one more activity. I swear to God, if Remy falls down one more time, I'm going to absolutely lose it. So this morning we went to the ice cream museum, which I think is overpriced, especially for like a kid's ticket. So basically, if you're going in there with your friend and you're going to take like tons of photos and, you know, your Instagrammable moments, then it's fine. Like, you know, I believe $50 or a little less than $50, and you had all of these rooms where if you were to leave her alone. It's the end of the day. It's the end of the day, and thank you. Thank you. Good. So you go into each room, and I'm sure if you read like the plaques on the wall and the little speech bubbles that the people or whatever, you'll find out a bit more about ice cream and how ice cream came into being as popular as it is today. Sorbet, soft serve, whatever it may be. The rooms were really cool. The kids were having a good time. I think that if I had a better photographer, Sean can't take picture, you know? Sean can't take picture. Anyway, it was really cool. I think it was overpriced. When we got to the very end of the tour, there was a very dark room with like this big red circle where you could do like finger puppets and like shadows and whatever. And I mean, this is the end. This is the very end. This is the end. And Levi and Remy are now running back towards me. I'm sitting on a bench, maybe about 5 feet away from this shadow thing. Remy trips and she falls with her mouth first onto the bench that I'm sitting at. And because the room is so dark, all I see is her mouth just fill up with blood. The guy is looking and he's just like, so unhelpful. I'm walking around. I can't find anybody that works in there. I cannot find a bathroom. I cannot find, be careful, Levi. I'm opening all the doors that say emergency exit, all the doors that say staff only. I'm opening all the doors. I'm looking for a bathroom because I need to get some cool water on Remy's mouth, and I figure I'd get to the cool water quicker than I'd get to like finding ice, even though it's ice cream museum. Anyway, finally this girl, she's like walking towards me and she's like, oh my, and I'm like, where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? She's like, oh, come this way. And she walks towards the elevator and I'm like, are there stairs? Like, I just came out to this elevator. It's very slow. I have on a neon dress. There's blood all over me. Remy has blood everywhere. And I guess like the blood on a neon, like it just looked so super bright. Her mouth is bleeding. She's crying and I can see that there's like a little small laceration on her lip, and I'm hoping that that's it and it's nothing to do with teeth. Finally, we get to the bathroom, and the bathroom is like 2 sinks and then there's a couple stalls down the hall. So it's men, women, kids, everybody. And I'm cooling off Remy's mouth and, well, trying to. The water that's coming out of the sink is hot. I'm looking at the girl and I'm like, can you please get me some ice? Can you please get me some cool water? Can you please get me something? She comes back with a first aid kit and 2 like packs where you break it and it's very cool. Remy wouldn't put that on her mouth. She sees everybody passing her. I know she gets very upset and she wee-wees up herself. And I'm just trying to calm her down. I have Panadol in my bag. I'm trying to wipe her down. Of course, kids are now like looking at her. They're seeing all the paper towel with blood. They're seeing my clothes. They're seeing her crying. And Remy's now feeling very self-conscious, so it was just a whole mess. I didn't find this staff like very helpful at all. They were all so shocked to see blood, and I'm like, you work in this place with children, like something like this is going to happen. Your wallet? Like something like this can happen, like, you know, maybe you should be a little bit more sensitized towards accidents happening, or like more staff on the floor, like around the place, to be able to better manage an emergency or something happening. So I dressed Remy, throw away the panty, clean up the sink, and she has stopped crying. I managed to shove a Panadol tablet in her mouth. She's now locked up her mouth like this and won't show me. However, there's no more blood, and like Tracy was saying to me, if she had lost a tooth, it would feel so funny to her that she'd be crying more, she'd say something. So I just kind of hugged her up, and the car had now come for us to take us upstate to Legoland. So, sorry, it was nice and cool, and I just kind of cradled her, and she fell asleep. And while she slept, I just kind of unpursed her lips, and I could see just a little cut. And it's not bad. Mouth cuts, wounds always look terrible and always bleed a lot. I'm just glad that she didn't hit out any teeth. I don't know if, I'm not gonna say that. Anyway, moving right along. So we are now at Legoland, and we are staying in the Ninjago room. And I did like a little tour of the room. Levi's done a tour of the room. Levi is very excited to be here, as is his sister, who just a while ago fell off the bunk bed. I don't know, she stayed, I don't know, you know them little potato something that wobble and kind of like balance? I don't know, I honestly, anyway. So she's okay, she's tired. I think they're both very tired, and so it's going to be an early night. Right now it's 8:30. So we're going to head to bed, because tomorrow it's, we're going to head on over to the park, which is not very big. So we're just going to take it in sections, take it easy. It's not a competition. Maybe if we do one thing, it's fine. Our park admission is included in staying in the hotel. And the hotel is like, it's nice. There's one restaurant downstairs. They do allow Uber Eats. Sean was like doing all the food investigation. They don't have room service. So it's you know what? You know, all the little frills and fanciness that we got at the last hotel, which was really nice and super fancy, we don't have here, and that's okay. You know, it's not like I was born into no, you know, fancy hotel or Ritz or whatever. Like, I've stayed in hotels like this before, and I've made it work. I just don't have maybe the conveniences that I would like if I have kids. But, you know, you can buy the bottle downstairs. I'm going to bathe. I'm going to head to bed. Tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow we're gonna head over to the park. And other than Remy hitting her mouth, so far it's still been a good day, a good holiday. And you know, it was a little bit upsetting, because sometimes I feel like Remy may not have the excited reaction that I'd want her to have, and she was really having a good time in the ice cream museum. Like, she was really having a good time, and then that happened to her, so I kind of felt bad, you know. Anyway, their kids are bathed, and they are ready for bed. And I am going to get myself bathed and ready for bed, because I need some downtime too. I mean, this is a lot. Like, I have to bathe the kids, and because I just feel like if Sean spray me one more time with rubbing alcohol, I'm going to knock him out. Every minute the man just has sanitize. Everything is sanitized. If you touch somebody's hand, him sanitize it. If you touch your own hand, him sanitize it. If you anyway, he's been very conscious of what's happening around us. And anyway, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow in Legoland Park. Night, everybody.
All right. Poor pirates. Give them a rush.
Remy, middle one. Okay, press a button. Pardon me?
I need to doo-doo.
You're having too much fun, you want doo-doo? Come. When you go to the bathroom, when you want to doo-doo, on the floor right here? Woo. Hi guys, coming to you from my Ninjago room at Legoland. I don't know if you can see behind me, but the park is behind me. So today was our first full day at the park. We got there at about, well, the kids woke up late. The kids woke up at about, I want to say a little bit to 10, like 9:30 something to 10. Anyway, see me trying to edit up my forehead. Today was a good day. It was extremely hot. So there were pluses and minuses for the day. So usually Legoland, New York sees about 8,000 people, visitors a day, especially on like a weekend. On a good day, they can see 8,000 visitors a day. Yesterday, they saw a cut in the amount of visitors. I think yesterday was 4,000 people. And today was only 2,000 people because, of course, we had to go to the park on one of the hottest days in New York. So it was very, very hot, so people didn't come out. But one of the pluses with that is that there were no lines for any of the attractions. Another video that I will do coming up will be things I wish I'd done or things I wish I prepared better for. Just because I think this video is getting a little bit too long now in terms of my family vlog. So the park closes at 7. We left at about 20 to 7. We had gone on as many rides as possible. Remy had fallen asleep. I'm out of breath. Sean has had enough. He's like, you want to go on another ride? I'm like, yes, let's go on another ride. It's very expensive, but I knew that theme parking would be expensive, and I had a travel agent book the room for me. And if I had done the booking myself, I would have booked the room and the theme park tickets together to get a better deal. But in retrospect, I'm not going back there tomorrow. So I would have bought 3 days of tickets and only used one because we've done everything there. For bigger kids, like for anybody in their teenage years, you can do the park in 4 hours. You can take one full day and do the park. Even if there's long lines, it's just one day. It's one day because, yeah, Remy did, I think there was maybe, you okay, Rem? Or you need some Wi-Fi? Okay, I'm coming. You had to be, how much was the littlest ride? 32 inches or whatever? Yes, I mean, used to the big inches, you know, so I don't really remember. But anyway, we had a great day. Today I'm in my MKNE.
Mom, look.
From Kim Possible. It is
I'm almost done.
a bicycle shorts. We have figured out how to open the egg safe, the dragon egg safe. So the kids actually got little toys in there, so they're assembling them now. I just came back from the park. I need to bathe and just freshen up.
Tell them the code that we had to do
the scavenger hunt code. We had to do a scavenger hunt when we came into the room, and the code, the numbers that you get for the scavenger hunt opens the dragon egg safe.
Yeah.
And in the dragon egg safe are toys for the kids.
Yeah, they're like Lego. Yeah. They're like Lego.
So the kids are just on the bed. I just bathed them. They're not even lotioned. I've just put them there to chill out.
Lego things like this.
Right.
By the way, they're carrots.
Yes, as I was saying, the kids are all bathed and they're just chilling out on the bed. I'm just going to bathe now because we're going to go to the, I want to call it the mess hall and have dinner. It was a good day. It was a good day, but I don't know if I can manage another 2 or 3 days of Legolanding, theme parking. It's a lot, and Sean's knee has been hurting him. So, and this outside thing is just horrible. I just did carnival the other day and I'm now trying to revive my skin, and now I'm out in the sun again. Especially with all this makeup. I don't think I'm gonna wear as much makeup tomorrow. Just joking. Just joking. Anyway, that's it for my full day at Legoland. The family's happy. Remy, how's your lip? She's watching the iPad. Her lip is good. Levi, how was your day?
Amazing.
Okay, so in a bit, once I clothe him, I will have my co-host Levi come and tell you about his day. Alright guys, see you soon. Okay, go.
Hello everyone, we are going today and we discarded Stevie and now I'm gonna play a game, and Remy's just talking to baby over there. What is she even doing? Can you even guess what she's even doing?
We're going to the airport now.
We're going to the airport now, but Mom, is there a question that you need to stay? Are we going to New York?
Alright guys, no way. So we're leaving Legoland. I don't remember which state this is in. We're heading to the airport in White Plains. Then we're going to fly to Atlanta and then fly home. So it's going to be an all-day thing.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's
Now
it
I'm
for
gonna
our
start my
family
game.
trip to New York, into the city of Manhattan for a few days, and then over to Legoland, and that's it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you like the video. Want to say like the video?
Make sure you like the video and like it now before you don't see any of our videos again.
No.
What can I